Move aside.
All these are things of the past. Let me show you. Hey everyone, this is Joe from Techie Lobang, and today I have something interesting to introduce. But before that, look at all these headphones. Okay, I have a confession to make. I'm actually addicted to buying headphones. I'm not a audiophile, but I love headphones. So you can see I have all sorts of headphones, earphones of different shape and sizes, conduction, bone conduction earphones, intelligent earphones whereby if there's a AI inside it, the standard sports earphones, gaming earphones, and earphones from Kickstarter project, which I guess this, in my opinion, the lowest quality out of all these. So without further ado, let me introduce you to the latest earphones that I have, and it's a review set. It's Bragi the Dash Pro. So this is a very premium earphone because of the price. It's seriously expensive, and I'm hoping that it will do justice because at such a high price, I'm expecting a lot from this earphone. Let me do the unboxing right now. So this is it. This is the packaging for the Bragi Dash Pro. So let's look inside. I believe this is for me to pull, and I believe the earphones is inside. It has 3 boxes inside and nothing else except for the instructions. Let me pull out this. What? Okay. It says pull here, so I'll pull. So these are all the accessories. Okay, all the accessories. And there's even more inside. I hope you can see from here. There's more inside. I'm not going to take it out. These are the cables. So it's using a micro USB cable to charge. Okay, let's get on to this main unit. So this is the Dash Pro. It comes with a casing. The main unit, it has a very subtle B over here, if you can see. I don't know whether you can see B over here. So let me open up the box. Ooh. Guys, there's only one way to push, because this is smaller and there's the right size to push it up. So you can see it's a very nice premium make box for to hold on to this earbud. It's made of aluminium metal. and here it is the start of this. So I believe these are just the protection which I will take, and these are the earbuds. Okay, let me show you a little bit more about this. So these are the charging. Inside there's a battery inside whereby you can charge your earbuds. There's very nice indication on left and right over here, so you can know that which one to use for charging. These two earbuds are smaller than I expected because I'm thinking that it's a little bit bigger, but it's good. It's a good surprise because I don't like big earbuds. So these are the unboxing for these earbuds, the Bragi Dash Pro. We'll do more in-depth review later.